I have a special treat for you today. It's the Dumpster Vise! Behold the Dumpster Vise in all of its blue, gross glory. Wait, you found a vise in the dumpster, Logan? It's got all kinds of holes in it from people doing dumb stuff. What kind of a loony person are you? It's missing the jaws. Yes, I did find a vise in a dumpster. Brand is Rükle, because I look in dumpsters. It's actually a very nice vise. It's a very heavy, extremely heavy vise. Other than all the holes and the missing jaws, I actually think it's probably in pretty good condition. I don't have the actual wrench for it, but you can turn it with a wrench. It does move, it does rotate, but I think it needs to be cleaned up. So I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to clean it, and I'm going to see if there's anything that needs to be repaired. I may fix these holes in the ways, but I may not. And then I will put it back together and see if it vices things. So here you have it in all of its pieces. This actually doesn't look too bad. I was worried this might be a little worn out, but it doesn't appear to be. This appears to be in excellent condition, except for the end here. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's been drilled. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so probably the same bonehead who drilled these holes drilled these little divots into this thing. But other than that, this is in very, very nice condition. This is a little rusty and a little bit filled with who knows what, but easily to clean up. These are the gibs that run against the ways. They seem to be in just fine condition. And then everything else is in good shape. So, there we have it. Gonna do some cleaning upping. A little bit of wire wheeling. Wire wheeling. Everybody likes before and after, right? So I just noticed something really cool. So these bolts ride in this track, right? They go around like this, and they're flat on the sides so that you can bolt them down, so that when you turn the nut on the top, they don't spin in there. What I think is really cool is that they're not just rectangular. Can you see that they're actually curved? This side is concave and this side is convex. So they actually only go in one way, and they ride around the track in that way. And it looks to me like they were designed that way, not worn in that way. You can see the worn parts here and here, but then this curve is actually machined in, original. Pretty cool. So I'm cleaning up the base here. Lo and behold, look what I found. Huh. It actually has graduation marks on it. I didn't even know. They're buried deep in the grime. They're under there, I promise. Well, what do you know? Dumpster Vise is now beautiful and awesome. You can see all of the adjustment marks. It runs easily and smoothly, even just with my fingers. Pretty awesome. I probably need to do a little bit better adjustment with the gibs in here to get the... There is no play in it, but I don't think they're all set right. Yeah, that's it. It turns nice, and it's awesome. So I didn't take off all of the paint. There was 3 layers, turns out. So this is down to the original paint color, and I'm probably gonna leave it like this. There's a chance I might try to strip it down a little bit more and actually paint it myself, but I kind of like the semi-bare metal look. So anyway, that's it. Dumpster Vise restoration.